Namaste, good afternoon. Welcome to our maths fair. Myself Pallavi.
Myself Shahina.
We are from team Richard Salter. Now my friend gonna explain you about mathematician Richard Salter.
This is my chart. The spring scale maker Richard Salter in 1770.
On weighing balance no longer relied on counterweights.
Now my friend gonna explain about model.
This is our model. So ma'am, what clue is running in your mind? It's okay. In our daily life, we use this balancing weight in vegetable market, fish market, etc. So here you can see the left side left pan and right side right pan. Left pan is also called as LHS and right pan is also called as RHS. So here you can see the 500 grams weight, 200 grams weight, 100 grams weight and 50 grams weight. So for example, I kept the 50 grams weight to the LHS left pan. So ma'am, you can add some pulses. So, when both are equal, we can say it's a proper balancing weight. Thank you for visiting our model. Hope you understood. Vote for us.